Hello, this is Mrs. Rouse, and this is lesson 102. These are just the starred problems. I did the practice set in the previous video. So if you need to go back and take a look at that, feel free. Okay, let's pick a color here. Okay. George is playing a board game and hopes to roll a sum of 5. He tosses a pair of number cubes. What is the probability the sum of the numbers tossed will be 5? What are the odds? Okay, so really what I need to do is I need to go back to investigation 8 here and take a look at, there's a chart that shows all of the possible outcomes of 2 dice. So there's a dice up here, there's a dice up here, and I think there's 36 total outcomes. A sum of 5, I'm kind of going on memory. I think that there are 4 available ways you can get a 5 out of 36, which gives you 1 out of 9. And that's probability of a 5. Odds are different. Odds are not probability. Odds are favorable over unfavorable. So if I have 4 favorable outcomes out of 36, then I have 32 unfavorable, which gives me 1/8. All right, 12 less. So I'm subtracting 12 from something. The product, I'm multiplying something, of what number? So we're going to call that x. And 3 equals 36. So what I have is 3x minus 12 is equal to 36. It just says to write the equation for this problem, so I'm going to stop there. This figure shows 3 sides of a regular decagon. A decagon is a 10-sided figure. So what's the measure of each exterior angle? We know that the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. So I have 10 sides. That means that each of these is going to be 36 degrees. The interior angle, so I know that the exterior plus the interior is equal to 180. It makes a line. So I have 36 plus something is equal to 180. I'm going to subtract 36. And I get 144. So this is 144 degrees. Write an equation to solve this problem. 3 more. So I'm adding 3. Then twice. So this is 2 times a number, x, equals negative 13. So I have 2 times x, plus 3 is equal to negative 13. All right. Obtuse and acute angles in the figure to the right are supplementary. That means they add up to 180. Find the measure of each angle. So I know that 3x minus 25 plus x plus 5 is equal to 180. So let's combine like terms. I have 3x plus 1x minus 25 plus 5 is equal to 180. So this is 4x minus 20. Then it's a 2-step problem. My first step is addition or subtraction, so I'm going to add 20. I'm going to have to come over here. Sorry, guys. So I get 4x. My 20s cancel is equal to 200. And then my second step is to divide 50. So that's not the measure of the angle, that's just the measure of x. So I have to take 50 and plug it in here, and then plug it in here. So the measure of this angle is 55, and the measure of this angle is 3 times 50 minus 25, which is 150 minus 25, which is 125. Okay, evaluate. So everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put a 3, and everywhere there's a y, I'm going to put a negative 2. So let's see, this is 3 plus 3 times negative 2 minus 3 times negative 2. So I have 3 plus negative 6 minus negative 6. So when I add opposite signs, I subtract and take the sign of the larger, so 6 minus 3 is 3 with a negative. And then this is a subtraction problem, so I keep change, which means I get a positive 3. All right, corresponding angles. I'm going to use some different colors. It says which angle corresponds to C, and that's going to be G. Alternate interior. So let me pick a different color here. So interior. That means it's going to be on the inside of this box. So alternate interior with E is going to be D. Okay, let's pick a different color. Let's do that. Alternate exterior means it's going to be outside the box. So these are exterior angles and these are exterior angles. Alternate to H is angle A. And it says if angle A is 110, what is F? Okay, so if A is 110, I know D is 110. I know E is 110. So I'm going to do 180 minus 110, and I get 70 degrees for F. Okay, draw on a number line and show the locations of these numbers, which are rational. So 0.4 is rational, 1/4 is rational, and let's see what the square root of 4 is. 2. They're all rational. So this is 0.4, 0.25, and 2. So this is the square root of 4. 0.25, or 1/4, and then 0.4. Okay. Solve. So let's go ahead and combine like terms here. I have 3x plus 1x is 4x, plus anything to the 0 power is 1 is equal to 49. My first step is going to be to add or subtract. And then my second step is to divide or multiply. In this case, it's going to be divide. Okay, let's combine like terms. So I take the smaller and I bring it over to the larger. So minus 1y minus 1y. We get 2y plus 2 equals 32, because this goes away. And then I'm going to do my 2 steps. So let's subtract 2y, 30, and then divide. Okay, here we're going to have to distribute first. So I have x, and I'm going to put my 1 in front of it. 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6. Let's combine like terms. And then it's a 2-step problem. So we're going to subtract to get rid of the 6. And then we're going to divide to get x by itself. And that's the end of the Starrred problems for lesson 102. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions.